Today I'm going to show you how to create the relationships between all tables, 6 tables, and also I'm going to go through the inserts, updates, and delete queries I have created through VB also. So to go into your VB, same as always, database tools, Visual Basic. Here it is there. Again, here are all my modules. Now, the relationships, well, first of all, what you need to do is create a primary key for your in your database, because otherwise the tables won't link, because the primary key and foreign key needs to link together in order to join. So here is my coach PK table or module. So coach primary key, that's transfer. Here it sets the primary key of the coach ID in the coach table as it sets the primary key equals true and unique equals false. That's because all my primary keys in each table are the same because of the increments. So all the table primary keys are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 30. So the unique has to be false, otherwise my database will collapse. And here's a little debug print saying course primary keys created. So when you've created all the primary keys in your tables, the next step then is to join each table, each relevant primary key and foreign key together. So here is my pitch incident relationship module, which means that I'm joining the pitch ID in my pitch table with the pitch ID in my incident table. So here I create relationship, db.create relationship creates relationship between the two tables, pitch ID and incident ID. Sorry, pitch table, incident table. So here we're saying we're declaring the table that the foreign key, that the primary key is dot foreign table equals incident. So that means that the pitch is the parent and incident is the child. So here it is now, and then when you run the debug print says relationship create. So that's the pitch and incident relationships. I have all my other ones here. So there's doctor and incident relationships. So that's the doctor ID in the doctor table, links with the doctor ID in the incident table, and the coach ID is in the incident table. The reason why there's a lot of IDs in the incident table is because the incident table is the last of in the family tree. So we have the parent, child, grandchild, great grandchild, and so on. So the coach would be a parent of the um, incident table, which means in every incident that happened within the school, like my database, a coach was there, the doctor had to be called, and the pitch, the incident happened in the pitch. So that's why they're all linked in together. Um, so that's the relationships created. Next is my adding records into my table. So adding record coach. So this means that whenever you want, you can add a new record into the table, which I just into my coach table. Here it is there. Basically the same like your ordinary, just adding in. See, it's the same thing really. Next, I'm going to edit records in tables. So here I have my edit record university. So what this does is you have to choose which record you're going to edit first by choosing the ID of the table. So here is university ID 10. So the database goes into university and looks for an ID called 10. Then when it finds it, I want to here update tell no into this number here. So what it does then, it replaces the new number that you created here in place of the old one. And next then I'm going to show you how I deleted records from my table. So here is the module to delete records. Like again in the editing one, it has to find first the university ID, and the row that I want to delete is 1. So it finds the university ID, which is 1, and rst name list.delete, which means that it deletes that university out of the table. If the message, or if university ID 1 is not in the table, then a message box will come up saying record not found. So which means that it was never there in the first place, or if you run it again, it will if you run it twice, like, because it'll already be deleted the first time, so if you try to run it again, it won't be there. So obviously you will get this message, record not found. Okay, that's how I done my adding records, deleting records, and editing records, my primary keys, and my relationships modules. Thank you.